What's up guys, this is Joe from UTB. Today I will bump up my MacBook Pro with 8 gigs of RAM. I already have 6 gigs of RAM inside. This is a MacBook Pro version late 2011. So let's bump up that MacBook with 8 gigs. Alright, so now I have all the screws out. Let's open the back side of the MacBook. Just like this, we lift it up. And here we can see directly the RAM module. You may also see that here is already inside a SSD from Samsung. Now let's just touch something metal that we are not charged with electric. Then we lift up the battery connector. Just a bit swiveling left and right. There it's out. Then we move them left and right. Take them out. This is a module of 4 GB which I have already inside. This will stay. But below it there is the old 2 GB module which is original inside the MacBook. Well, this one was a bit more difficult to get out. You just have to move it left, right a bit. And now that comes inside a Kingston 4 GB module, which looks almost the same, but we have 4 GB. So place it in the same way until it's inside and press it down. Makes a small click. Then next one the same way, also a click, and there we have it, 8 GB installed. Then the battery connector, just a bit swiveling left and right. Replace the back shell of the MacBook. So now we will just put back inside all the screws, start it up and check if everything is working correctly. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we will see us in the next videos. Stay tuned. Okay, so what we can see now, we have directly 8 gigs of RAM, 1333 megahertz DR3, and when we go inside the memory, we can see we have 4 gigs and 4 gigs. This makes an officially recommended maximum of 8 gigs of RAM inside this MacBook late 2011.